Welcome to the Grammar Mentor channel. Parts of speech in English grammar. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important foundations of English grammar, the parts of speech. By the end of this lesson, you'll clearly understand each part of speech, how they work in sentences, and you'll even get to practice with me. So grab your notebook and pen, let's master English together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an English lesson. Ready? Let's begin. First, what are parts of speech? Simply put, every word in English belongs to a category like noun, verb, adjective, and so on. There are 8 traditional parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Together, they help us build clear and meaningful sentences. Let's look at each one in detail with examples. Nouns. Nouns are naming words. They name people, places, things, or ideas. Pushpin examples: person, teacher, John. Place, city, London. Thing, book, computer. Idea, love, freedom. Types of nouns. Common nouns, dog, city. Proper nouns, David, India. Countable nouns, apple, car. Uncountable nouns, milk, information. Collective nouns, team, family. Abstract nouns, honesty, courage. Example sentence: the teacher gave the students homework. Teacher, person. Students, people. Homework, thing. Quick practice. Pause and write 5 nouns you see around you right now. Pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. Pushpin examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, mine, ours, yours, who, which. Example sentence: Sarah loves her cat. She plays with it every day. Sarah replaced by she. Cat replaced by it. Types of pronouns. Personal, I, you. Possessive, mine, yours. Reflexive, myself, yourself. Relative, who, which, that. Demonstrative, this, that. Indefinite, someone, anybody. Quick tip: pronouns help your sentences sound natural and less repetitive. Try this. David lost David's pen, so David bought David's pen again. Sounds weird, right? Use pronouns. David lost his pen, so he bought it again. Practice. Write 3 sentences using he, she, or they. Verbs. Verbs are action or state words. They tell what the subject does or is. Examples: action verbs, run, eat, write. State verbs, be, seem, belong. Tenses also come from verbs. Example: I eat, present. I ate, past. I will eat, future. Verb forms. Base form, eat. Past form, ate. Past participle, eaten. Present participle, eating. Example: she is reading a book. Verb, is reading. Practice. Say 5 things you do every day. Example: I read, I walk. Quick tip: always check subject-verb agreement. Example: he plays, they play. Adjectives. Adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns. Examples: big, small, beautiful, interesting, 5, some. Example sentence: the big dog barked loudly. Big describes dog. Adjectives answer questions like: which one? What kind? How many? Practice. Describe your phone with 3 adjectives. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell how, when, where, or to what extent. Examples: quickly, very, well, yesterday, here. Example sentence: she sings beautifully. Beautifully modifies sings. Another example: it's very cold. Very modifies cold, an adjective. Practice. Add an adverb. He runs _____ dot. Quickly, slowly. Prepositions. Prepositions show relationships between nouns or pronouns and other words. Examples: in, on, at, under, between, beside. Example sentence: the book is on the table. On shows the relationship between book and table. Practice. Describe where you are sitting using a preposition. Conjunctions. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, or, so, because, although. Example sentence: I wanted to go, but it was raining. But connects two ideas. Practice. Make a sentence using and, or, but. Interjections. Interjections express strong feelings or sudden emotions. Examples: wow. Oh. Ouch. Hey. Alas. Example sentence: wow. That's amazing. Interjections stand alone or come at the beginning. Practice. Say an interjection you'd use if you got a gift. Recap. Alright, let's finish with a clear recap to make sure this sticks in your mind. Remember, there are 8 parts of speech in English. Let's repeat them together. Say them out loud with me. Nouns, names of people, places, things, ideas. Examples: dog, teacher, India, happiness. Pronouns, replace nouns to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, which. Verbs, show actions or states of being. Examples: run, eat, be, have, seem. Adjectives, describe nouns or pronouns. Examples: beautiful, tall, 3, happy. Adverbs, describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Examples: quickly, very, well, now. Prepositions, show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Examples: in, on, under, beside. Conjunctions, connect words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, or, so, because. Interjections, show emotion or sudden expressions. Examples: wow. Oh. Ouch. Hey. Here's a trick to remember them. Try this simple sentence. Naughty pandas visit all alligators playing cards indoor. The first letter of each word matches: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Make your own funny sentence to remember. Mini challenge. Write one sentence that uses every part of speech. Here's an example. Wow. The happy dog quickly ran under the table and barked because it was excited. Wow interjection. Dog noun. It pronoun. Ran, barked verbs. Happy adjective. Quickly adverb. Under preposition. And, because conjunctions. Before we wrap up, here's your homework. Write 5 sentences using all 8 parts of speech. Post your sentences in the comments. I'll check them and reply. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English lessons every week. Tell me in the comments which part of speech you find the trickiest. I'd love to make a video just for that. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. See you next time. Bye.